My journey as an auto technician began in 2015. Over the years, I have dedicated myself to making car maintenance easier, more affordable, and convenient for both car owners and mechanics. Today, I'm glad to announce a major milestone: Africa's first AI-powered car diagnostic solution. We've been building and testing this solution for 2 solid years. And now, we're inviting you to join others and experience this innovation for yourself. With G-OBD, you get early fault detection, advanced diagnostics and maintenance insights, predictive and preventive maintenance services, and even automated service reminders. And through every step of this journey, Asoro Automotive is here for you 24/7. So what are you waiting for? Get your G-OBD today.